During discussions for the preparation of the Mawlai Presbytery Service to be held at Mawlong village, attended by Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh's aim, talks revolved around the progress of various development initiatives. Panyat Singh's aim, alongside the executive engineer of the PWD Bypass Division and a junior engineer, assessed the development status of the Mawlong Church and its surrounding villages, where concerns were raised about the sluggish pace of the presbytery's projects, particularly the construction of community halls and road maintenance, which were expected to be completed by now. The headman of Mawlong village stressed the urgency of completing these projects for the community's welfare and urged upon government officials to expedite the work involving the PWD and the PHE departments, ensuring timely completion as promised to the presbytery. Additionally, during discussions, it was noted that pastors and elders of the Naiwing village were dissatisfied with project delays, especially regarding the construction of community halls, electricity supply, and water connection. It was assured that efforts would be made to speed up project completion for community benefit. Furthermore, it was instructed that necessary actions be taken to address delays and ensure that work orders issued to contractors are diligently followed to prevent further delays, as the community has been awaiting these projects for nearly 3 years.
Aduh kan kaya lembar dah.
Ni lembar kami satu sini.
Kami sambuyan kami hamu tari pak. Hamu tari kami.
Satu gendong sia. Ngata habis keliling sia. Dong gendong singa bro deh kata di suyo respect lah gua suruk-suruk belum lupa. Nomor ba kau kan kau lagi mana sen suara dia dah.
Kendo ba belum tu kan. Mawlong pikwa level tu.
Namar ba kapor kamde syu kaba jengai rani kaba dang biang kapor bengin tray. Te lak day hau November kumbaong iba litep engineer lak khuslai ba. Hawai ka estimate lak ben pendap. Hatun yo sanction nya mini ka scheme. Te hendrai dah ka jingat ka bas camp boblei ni alam lenti hiyangi ya ka ka bangit hu nam ta baha khamtam ya ka kam balang hasnong ka ban mentoi lang ka imlang salang ki ba ni dah ka jing sus camp ni ya penbet ya ka wai ka meeting ringkat bat i deputy chief minister bari in charge ya ka PWD has secretariat te nakaliang ki pastor nakaliang ki teman basan ringkat dah kajing penbait jungi layok bani kenduk ya deputy chief minister has secretariat ban penpau ya kanika jing dan kam let's say habai de bani jing sing te nakal yang jung deputy chief minister lakhot lang ru ya but ni layok bani penbait ya kanika kam hoi kadai ka ba khuslai penjenjar ni namar ba kadai ka por ka bala la dehi ka por long jeseng mata badai baat khat pratarik te hendrai ko mangilaong ba kadai ka kam jong blai ka kam jong balang ngimshim la kentaj bat ni pediang ya ka bangin pendap ikani ka kam dan nakal yang jungiru ni lakit khia bat menta barok ki kam habide bat ki kot kisla le se la benong ba la dep artat saben penbiang te hendrai ni suthu pat benong banda up ya ka kot ban yo hadu ka work order ban yo sanction let's sing in the mute surok in the mute development chu ni nta ni jing sing kala like no kapor ni makan simpor be ar lai benai te da ka jing ba khli jong deputy chief minister bat ni la ya penbet iki contractor ki bodan mensim ban ya tre ni ka kam bat kiru kila ya menjur ban ya rap lem ya ka balang ban ka shnong hang ni kila ya one mi show office PWD ban terwai la dia bakilong bakloi panyarap ya kanika balang hang ni wat lada ka wak odam pat yo hendai ki kot kisla kilayat but kermen scam let's say mentau benai la ben pendap dot ya baro habide ki kot kisla